Blister. I got a blister on my foot from new shoes. He popped the blister, and it hurt a lot. Insomnia. I have insomnia, so I can't sleep at night. I couldn't sleep last night because of my insomnia. Runny nose. Do you have a tissue? I have a runny nose. He has a runny nose because of the cold. Congestion. I can't breathe because of my congestion. I can't smell anything because of my congestion. Wheezing. He was wheezing after climbing the stairs. She started wheezing after running too fast. Sweating. It's so hot today, I am sweating a lot. I was so nervous that I started sweating. Shivering. He is shivering with a high fever. He was shivering and coughing all night. Sore throat. I have a sore throat, and I can't speak loudly. I caught a cold, and now I have a sore throat. Headache. I have a headache. Can you get me some medicine? I get a headache when I don't sleep well. Migraine. My migraine is getting worse. I need to lie down. Can you lower your voice? I have a migraine. Diarrhea. If you have diarrhea, drink plenty of water. He got diarrhea after eating street food. Constipation. I ate too much junk food, now I have constipation. My stomach feels tight because of constipation. Sprain. Be careful, or you will sprain your ankle. I can't walk fast due to my sprained foot. Fracture. I slipped on the wet floor and fractured my wrist. If you fall, you might fracture your knee. Bruise. She got a bruise on her elbow from falling. I don't know how I got this bruise. Swelling. The swelling on his foot is very big. He took medicine to reduce the swelling. Sneeze. I can't stop sneezing. She is sneezing a lot because of the dust. Toothache. I have a toothache, so I can't talk much. I can't chew because my toothache is bad. Back pain. I have a back pain, and it's getting worse. I can't bend because of my back pain. Faint. He stood in the heat for too long and fainted. The old man fainted because he was too tired. Fever. I had a fever last night, but I am fine now. If your fever gets worse, go to the doctor. Cold. My cold is getting better now. I cannot go outside because I have a cold. Cough. Cover your mouth when you cough. He was coughing all night.